how to make a delicious vegetable and macaroni salad that's sure to impress your taste buds. So let's get started. We'll be using Muller's rotini macaroni, red cherry tomatoes, red and green bell peppers, cucumber, some McCormick's scampi seafood sauce, black pepper, and salt. For the cheese, we'll be using white cheese, but feel free to substitute it with your favorite cheese. Start by boiling the macaroni according to the package instructions.
If you don't fall at least 20 times, then you're not scared. So now guys, we're gonna cut up our baby tomato, the small ones. We're just gonna cut it off. I already washed my tomato, guys, so make sure you wash your tomato, okay? All right, so I already washed my tomato. Guys, if you want to cut it up more, you can, but I'm just gonna cut mine in two. So guys, you know what I'm gonna put into my macaroni salad, my vegetable macaroni salad? I'm gonna put some boiled egg, but I'm gonna take out the yolk of the eggs. But if you want to put meat in your salad, in your macaroni salad, you can go ahead and put some chicken. You can use like ham. You can use anything you want, guys, in your macaroni salad. Okay. Yes, sweetheart? Guys, I'm using some in my country we call it cucumber. So I'm using some cucumber. You don't have to use this, guys, if you don't want to. So this is all my fresh vegetable. I'm just going to pour everything in my pasta. You want to combine everything together. Now let's cook. Start by boiling the macaroni according to the package instructions. And guys, any vegetable you like, you can put your vegetable in it. Once it's cooked, drain the water and let it cool down in a large bowl. Mix the macaroni with the I'm gonna put my sauce. Then pour your scampi sauce. Season a pinch of black pepper and salt. So any sauce you like, guys. Then your white cheese of your choice. Your vegetable or macaroni salad is ready to be devoured. Thanks for me in this cooking adventure. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, I have 2 eggs. So I'm gonna strip my eggs and use just the white part of the eggs. I'm not gonna use the yolk. I'm gonna have a good salad, guys. Look at this. This is so delicious. This looks so good. So good. So taste test time, guys. Guys, this is so good. I love the crunchiness of the sweet pepper, the bell pepper. I love the crunchiness of it, guys. Very nice, guys. Try it. If you're a person that loves vegetable, this is perfect for you. Guys, you don't have to put vegetable if you don't want to. You can put chicken, like cut up the chicken breast and put your chicken. You can put ham, cut up your ham and you can put it. You can put multiple things in this salad, guys. Mm-hmm. 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 Very good, guys.
Cooking up some delicious vegetable macaroni salad. Now let's cook. Start by boiling the macaroni according to the package instructions. Once it's cooked, drain the water and let it cool down in a large bowl. Mix the macaroni with the chopped vegetables, then pour your scampi sauce. Season a pinch of black pepper and salt to taste. Give it a good stir, then your white cheese of your choice. Your vegetable or macaroni salad is ready to be devoured. Thanks for me in this cooking adventure. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking.